Hello, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In this video, I will teach you how to buy Milo Inu on Gate.io with very low fees without gas fees. So this will be step-by-step tutorial on buying Milo Inu. And remember that I'm not financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before you make the decision. The first thing you need to have is Gate.io account. If you don't have Gate.io account, just make an account. You will find out the sign up link in the description of this video. Just click this link and start registration process. But before you start registration process, please check this list here. There are restrictions for some countries, so before you start filling your personal details, please check this list. And also good news is that Gate.io has got great bonuses for new users. For example, complete beginner's tasks and claim $100 Gate.io points, and trading claim 5,500 worth of USDT, stable and reliable since 2013. Provides 1000 plus currencies digital trading assets. So fill all of the gaps with your personal information and make an account on Gate.io. After this, you can log into your account. So we log into our account and now we can start buying Milo Inu. So let's check the chart. Today Milo Inu's price is up by 52%, almost 53%. You can see this on this chart. And I think that this is one of the best tokens to buy in May of 2022. So to buy Milo Inu on Gate.io without gas fees and with very low fees, you need to have USDT on your balance. So first of all, you need to buy USDT on Gate.io. To buy USDT, you should go to buy crypto, choose one of these options. For example, I will choose credit card. In the right gap, you should choose USDT, and in the left gap, you should enter the amount of USD you are going to pay. For example, the minimum payment is 30 USD. So, and here there are some service providers. I will use Banxa. You can also choose any other service providers. So we are paying 30 USD and we will receive 28.28 USDT. The fees will be only 60 cents. Check this and go to purchase. If everything is correct, click create order and finalize your payment. After you will finish this process, after a few minutes, you can check your balance. Go to wallet in the top right corner and choose spot account. Here on this page, you will find out your USDT balance. So now everything is ready to buy Milo Inu on Gate.io. To buy Milo Inu, you should go to trade and you should choose spot trading. Here is the search bar. Type Milo in this search bar and choose Milo to USDT. On this page, there is a gap for USDT. You should enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay. For example, if you are going to pay 100 USDT, you will receive this amount of Milo Inu tokens. So if you are ready to buy, click buy, enter your fund pass, and finalize the payment. After you will buy Milo Inu on Gate.io, then you can check your balance after a few minutes. You should go to wallet again and you should open spot account. There you will find out your Milo Inu balance. So that's very simple, buying Milo Inu on Gate.io. It needs only a few minutes and the fees are extremely low. I suggest you to continue using Gate.io, especially if you are a new user. This is a great platform for trading. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies, the trading is very simple, and they have wonderful security system. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, thank you for subscribing. If you have some questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.